July 2026 training programs by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Hello and welcome to URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's rapidly changing business environment, organizations across the world are facing increasing challenges related to quality, information security, sustainability, compliance, food safety, automotive requirements, healthcare regulations, artificial intelligence, and environmental responsibility. Continuous professional development is no longer optional, it is essential. Whether you are an engineer, quality professional, auditor, manager, consultant, compliance officer, or business leader, upgrading your knowledge of international standards helps you stay competitive, improve organizational performance, and create greater career opportunities. At URGS International, we are committed to helping professionals and organizations achieve excellence through live instructor-led online training programs delivered by highly experienced trainers and subject matter experts with extensive industry experience. Every month, we conduct a wide range of public online training programs for participants from across the globe. In addition, we also organize private corporate training programs customized according to your organization's requirements for a minimum of 5 participants, either online or on site at your preferred location. Now, let us explore our upcoming July training programs and understand why each course is important. ISO 27032 Cyber Security Implementation, 18 to 20 July. Training dates in this month. As business becomes increasingly digital, cyber threats continue to grow in both frequency and sophistication. Organizations need strong cybersecurity frameworks to safeguard confidential information, protect customer data, and ensure business continuity. This training provides practical guidance on implementing ISO 27032 cybersecurity principles, enabling organizations to identify cyber risks, strengthen security controls, and develop effective cyber resilience strategies. It is highly recommended for IT professionals, cyber security specialists, information security managers, consultants, and organizations looking to enhance their cyber security posture. The next course is ISO 13485 Medical Device Quality Management System Standard / EU MDR Internal Auditor. Training dates 20 to 21 July. 2 days program. The medical device industry operates under strict regulatory requirements where quality and patient safety are of utmost importance, as we know this. Okay. This course is designed to explain the requirements of ISO 13485 quality management systems along with the European medical device regulation. Okay, we will cover this also. We will cover EU MDR regulations also in this course. Participants will learn internal auditing techniques that help organizations maintain regulatory compliance, improve manufacturing processes, reduce product risks, and prepare for certification and regulatory inspections. Then ISO 45003 2021 Psychological Health and Safety Awareness. Training dates 20 July. 1 day course. This standard is for employee well-being. Okay, means employee well-being has become one of the most important aspects of modern organizations, as we know all this. ISO 45003 provides guidance on managing psychological risks such as workplace stress, burnout, harassment, and mental ill health issues. This awareness program helps organizations create healthier workplaces, improve employee engagement, enhance productivity, and build a positive organizational culture. ISO 1002-2018 Customer Satisfaction Guidelines. Training dates 20 July. Customer complaints should never be viewed as problems. They should be viewed as opportunities for control improvement. This course teaches organizations how to establish structured complaint handling systems that improve customer confidence, strengthen relationships, and enhance overall customer satisfaction while supporting controlled business improvement. ISO 14001 2026 Transition Training, 21st July. Environmental sustainability has become a strategic priority for organizations worldwide. This transition course explains the latest changes introduced in the revised ISO 14001 standard and provides practical guidance on updating existing environmental management systems while maintaining certification and improving environmental performance. ISO 37001 2025 Transition Training, 25th July. Training date. Ethical business practices are critical for building trust with customers, regulators, and stakeholders. This course is designed to explain the latest revisions in ISO 37001 and helps organizations strengthen anti-bribery controls, improve governance, minimize corruption risks, and demonstrate ethical business leadership. TISAX Implementation Training. Training dates 25th to 26th July. What is this? What is this training about? With increasing cyber security requirements in the automotive industry, TISAX has become an important assessment framework for suppliers working with leading automotive manufacturers. Participants will learn how to implement TISAX requirements, protect confidential information, manage information security risks, and meet customer expectations within the automotive supply chain. ISO 27017 and ISO 27018 implementation. Training dates 26 to 27 July. Cloud computing has transformed modern business operations. This course focuses on implementing internationally recognized best practices for cloud security and protecting personally identifiable information in cloud environments. It is particularly valuable for cloud service providers, IT organizations, and businesses managing sensitive customer information. IRTF 16949 2016 Internal Auditor. Training dates 26 to 28 July. The automotive industry demands consistent product quality, robust manufacturing processes, and control improvement. Participants will learn internal auditing techniques based on IRTF 16949 requirements, helping organizations improve process effectiveness, reduce defects, satisfy customer complaints, customer requirements, and enhance supplier performance. ISO 27701 2025 PIMS Transition Training. Training dates 27 July. Privacy regulations continue to evolve worldwide. This course explains the latest changes in ISO 27701 and helps organizations improve privacy management, strengthen data protection practices, and maintain compliance with international privacy requirements. CQI 19 Sub-Tier Supplier Management Process Guideline, 27 July. Training date. Stronger supplier management is essential for maintaining product quality and operational reliability. This course explains how organizations can effectively evaluate, monitor, and improve sub-tier supplier performance while minimizing supply chain risks and enhancing overall business performance. BRCGS Food Issue 9 Awareness and Internal Auditor. Training dates 27 to 28 July. Food safety remains one of the highest priorities in the global food industry. Participants will gain a thorough understanding of BRCGS food safety requirements, internal auditing techniques, regulatory expectations, and best practices for maintaining safe and compliant food production systems. ISO 22716 Awareness, 27 July. Training date. C. Cosmetic manufacturers must consistently produce safe, high-quality products. This awareness course introduces good manufacturing practices for cosmetics and explains how organizations can improve product consistency, hygiene, documentation, and regulatory compliance. The next course is ISO 9001 2015 QMS Internal Auditor. Training dates 27 to 28 July. ISO 9001 is the world's most widely implemented quality management system. This course develops the knowledge and practical skills required to perform effective internal audits, identify opportunities for improvement, and support controlled organizational excellence. Integrated Management System Awareness and Internal Auditor. Training dates 27 to 29 July. Organizations often implement multiple management systems. This training demonstrates how quality, environmental, and occupational health and safety management systems can be integrated into a single efficient framework, reducing duplication while improving operational effectiveness. ISO 42001 2023 Artificial Intelligence Lead Auditor. Training dates 18, 19, 25, 26, and 27 July. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries worldwide. ISO 42001 is the world's first international standard for artificial intelligence management systems. Participants will learn how to audit AI governance frameworks, evaluate responsible AI implementation, manage AI related risks, and support ethical, transparent, and trustworthy AI practices. ES 9100 Revision D Internal Auditor. Training dates 20 to 22 July. This is designed specifically for the aerospace and aviation industry. This course explains quality management requirements that improve product reliability, regulatory compliance, and customer confidence while supporting control improvement throughout aerospace organizations. Sustainable Procurement Awareness. Training dates 20 to 21 July. Modern procurement extends beyond cost considerations. This training explains sustainable sourcing principles that integrate environmental, social, and governance considerations into purchasing decisions, supporting responsible business growth. ISO 21001 2025 Transition Training. Training days 21st July. Educational institutions are expected to continually improve learning outcomes and stakeholder satisfaction. This course explains the latest updates to ISO 21001 and provides guidance for implementing effective educational organization management systems. GDPR Data Protection Officer. Training dates 22 to 24 July. Data privacy has become a global priority. Participants will understand GDPR requirements, data protection responsibilities, risk management, compliance strategies, and the essential role of a data protection officer. The next course is Six Sigma Green Belt. Training dates 24 to 28 July. See, Six Sigma is one of the world's most effective methodologies for process improvement. This training teaches participants how to reduce variation, eliminate waste, solve complex problems, improve efficiency, and increase customer satisfaction using proven statistical tools. ISO 22361 Crisis Management Lead Implementer. Training dates 24 to 26 July 2026. See, every organization faces unexpected crises. This course is designed to provide practical guidance on developing crisis management capabilities that help organizations respond effectively, protect stakeholders, and recover quickly from disruptive events. ISO 22320 Emergency Management Awareness. Training date 25th July. Effective emergency response can significantly reduce the impact of disasters and critical incidents. Participants will learn internationally recognized emergency management principles, coordination techniques, and response planning methods. ISO 14971 Risk Management for Medical Devices. Training dates 25th July. Risk management is essential throughout the medical device cycle. This course explains systematic methods for identifying, evaluating, controlling, and monitoring product risks while improving patient safety and regulatory compliance. CPI CSR Lead Auditor. APSCA recognized. Training dates 25 to 28 July. Social responsibility has become an essential requirement within global supply chains. This program develops auditing competence for evaluating labor practices, ethical sourcing, workplace conditions, and corporate social responsibility compliance. ISO 37301 Compliance Management System Lead Auditor. Training days 25 to 29 July. Compliance is more than meeting legal requirements, it is about building a culture of integrity. Participants will develop auditing skills for evaluating compliance management systems and supporting effective organizational governance. ISO 37001 2025 Internal Auditor. Training dates 26 to 28 July. Learn how to improve internal audits of anti-bribery management systems, assess organizational controls, identify compliance gaps, and support ethical business practices. CTPAT/GSP Security Criteria Awareness. Training dates 27 July. International trade requires secure supply chains. This course explains the latest global security requirements that help organizations reduce risks, improve customs compliance, and strengthen international trade operations. Net Zero Awareness. Training date 27 July. 1-day course. See, climate change is one of today's biggest global challenges. Participants will understand carbon management, greenhouse gas reduction strategies, sustainability initiatives, and organizational pathways toward achieving net zero commitments. FSMA PCQI. Training dates for this course is 27 to 29 July. Organizations exporting food products to US must comply with FDA Food Safety Modernization Act requirements. This internationally recognized program prepares participants to become preventive controls qualified individuals responsible for developing and managing food safety plans. FSSC 22000 version 7 Internal Auditor. Training dates 30 to 31 July. Learn internal auditing techniques for food safety management systems based on the latest version 7 requirements while improving food safety culture and regulatory compliance. Failure modes and effects analysis (FMEA). Training dates 30 to 31 July. FEMA is one of the most powerful preventive quality tools used across automotive, aerospace, manufacturing, and engineering industries. Participants will learn systematic methods for identifying potential failures before they occur, reducing risks, improving product reliability, minimizing costs, and enhancing customer satisfaction. Now, why choose URGS International? At URGS International, we believe that professionals' training should deliver practical value, not just theoretical knowledge. Our training programs are conducted by experienced industry professionals who combine international standards with real-world implementation experience. Every participant benefits from live instructor-led online training, highly experienced trainers and subject matter experts, practical implementation guidance, audit-focused learning, interactive discussions, real industry case studies, digital training materials, certificate of completion, global learning environment with international participants. Our programs are ideal for professionals working in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, food processing, information technology, oil and gas, energy, logistics, construction, engineering, government, education, and service industries. Now, public and corporate training. In addition to our monthly public online training programs, URGS International also offers private corporate training tailored to your organization's specific requirements. Corporate packages can be customized based on your preferred dates, timing, industry sector, and organizational objectives. These programs can be delivered online or on-site and are available for a minimum of 5 participants, ensuring focused learning and maximum value for your team. Contact us if you are interested in any of these training programs or would like to organize a customized corporate batch for your organization. We would be delighted to assist you. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile/WhatsApp number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Mode live online. Timing 10:30 AM to 6:30 PM IST. 8 AM to 4 PM Saudi time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular updates on international standards, professional certifications, inspection services and upcoming training programs from URGS International. We look forward to welcoming you to one of our upcoming training sessions. Thanks again.